Attention entrepreneurs who want to increase their revenue and generate a consistent stream of sales leads on autopilot. You're about to discover the secrets of how to rapidly grow your revenue in an easy-to-copy, step-by-step process. Hi, my name is Kevin McCann, and I'd like to invite you to attend a very special masterclass webinar titled How to Instantly Fill Your Sales Pipeline with Fresh Leads That Convert Without Relying on Outsourced Sales and Marketing Agencies. Now, on this webinar training, you'll discover the answers every entrepreneur needs to know, including why relying on an outside agency's judgment, strategy, and performance puts your business at risk. Second, how following a proven and simple formula in the correct order is the secret to sales and marketing campaigns that outperform your competition. I'll also cover how to launch 3 simple-to-copy campaigns to achieve explosive revenue growth in your business. And I'll show you specific tools, templates, and workflows you need to put in place to start the stream of leads flowing into your business. So if you're serious about wanting to generate more sales leads on autopilot without relying on outsourced sales and marketing agencies, register now for this special event that will show you step-by-step exactly how to achieve explosive revenue growth. Register now and reserve your spot on the Masterclass webinar today, and I'll see you on the webinar.